In our last video, we were finishing up example 7b, and we said find the probability that 2 bears are chosen and 3 dogs are chosen. So we have 14 toys, 3 plus 5 plus 6. We have 14 toys to choose from, and we're choosing 5, so that denominator is not changing. But in my numerator, we want to see the probability of 2 bears and 3 dogs. Okay, so let's start with 2 bears. I had 6 bears to choose from, and I'm choosing 2. And then I had 5 dogs to choose from, and I'm choosing 3. And the order doesn't matter. It doesn't matter which dog gets chosen first. It still gets chosen. Easiest way to multiply that out is just to throw it into your calculator. And we've already seen how to use that NCR button in our calculator. All right, and then our last one, it says in a lottery, you choose 6 numbers in any order from 1 to 49. What are your chances of winning the lottery? Okay, so how many numbers do you have to choose from? We have 49, right? And how many are we choosing? 6. So they told us that this is in any order. So this is a combination. And out of all of those possible combinations, how many of them are the winning combination? Well, just one, right? So if we throw that into our calculator, that is literally 1 out of 13,983,816. I have never bought a lottery ticket in my life. 1, because I have convictions about it. But 2, I just can't get around that kind of probability. Like, it just feels like such a waste of money. Additionally, we are stewards of what God entrusts to us. And although that might be just a fun, easy way to spend some money, it's just kind of hard to justify spending money there when instead I could be helping, needy children or families that are struggling or something like that. So probably a better use of my money and better stewardship.